Atongoi ngwatanio ya Kenya Kwanza ilembetani ya Ukamba nimakulya mbai ya mukamba itaanisye vyo na uteti wa ngaliko ya ulei ula utaingwa kieleelo cha kiimaendeeo na kukwata mbau musumbi William Ruto nikana yiunike na maendeeyo oonthe ala ituaa iyiiyia nthini wa Silikalini sionthe bituku nthini wa umbano wa somi kuma kaunti ya Makueni ula watwaiiw'a musini wa Ilovi ni mwandiki muveani wa Silikalini sia mitiuko mwandu Terry Mbaika Atongoi nimathingilila kana musumbi Ruto ena wendi musio wa mbai na ngwatanio ndomu ya Atongoi vamwe na ene nthi kuma Ukamba ni kutethesya kualiula Ukamba kiimaendeeo. Mwandiki witu kuma Ilovi Benjamin Mwaka ena mauvoa.
Nthini wa umbano huu wa somi kuma kaunti ya Makueni na ula wivikitwe ni Atongoi ya sakue alama na ivilani kula ni bitu ndumwe na ala President William Ruto uvikite kuolota miviani na ngavani kuthukonyesya Silikalini kwa oyu mwandiki mutenega muviano wa Silikalini sia mitiuko mwandu Terry Mbaika ulilikalile asomia kana musumbi William Ruto ngoni yake ndaulwa ni mwatholo andikanie na andu ma Makueni ivindani ya kampeni.
I remember one time seated with Veronica Nduva telling the president, Mr. President, please tufanyia hao watu wetu wa Makueni wa Ukambani kazi. Labda next time watatupigia kura mingi. And the president categorically said, I don't need to do those projects for the votes. Hao watu wanahitaji kusaidiwa. They need development. And the projects are there, very well earmarked for implementation. I think we have time. We have just finished 1 year in this administration.
Atongoi hanene Silikalini ala mechathiniki umwe kwa umwe maitwie konenio na kwathana kwikala maimulikanya musumbi ulwa kuthengesya maendeeyo Makueni ni makulya somia undumwe na ikalima kaunti ya Makueni kutwika Silikalini ya oyu na mwikio kana ni kuthikuyanisya maundu oonthe yathanie ma mwene nthi kaunti nino.
We want to assure you that the government is committed kwa maundu amwe. We professionals, your business people. Pending bills will become a thing of the past. Let us not be afraid to do business with government.
This is time to build relationships, to build partnership with the government. So I want to appeal to you, tafadhali kwa heshima, we support the government of the day. Na sio wakati huu tu, mpaka tuendelee mwisho. Watu wengine wakifanyiwa kazi, hata sisi tuko kwa laini ya kwanza. We can only bargain for more when our conversation is aligned.
Ona uyovo mithiumo ya uteti ye maguthengesya mau umbatonio aingi mateti ala manenie ni mathingilile kana Silikalini ya oyu ithwa kivilani kwa miaka 10 na ikalima Makueni mavitukanye masavu vanini meethia thimani thuku muno ya ucha itino wa miaka 10.
Serikali imejipanga 10 years ni ya Ruto. Please tusidanganywe, tufanye ile inatupasa kufanywa, tuingie kwa serikali.
Matters of budget, matters of policy, matters of all those things, we know that a government that is sitting is responsible for them. So if we seriously want the things that we are asking for, I think that we have to engage the government.
So it becomes much easier when you are stakeholders in the government, because then it is no longer a request. You are demanding a share of that particular government because you participated in forming that government. Because there is this school of thought that it doesn't matter whether you are in government or not, the government should work for everyone. Wrong, a lie. You can never say that investing in a government doesn't matter. It does matter.
Katoa makulyo ma asomia kwa Silikalini yao yume yulua mivango ya president yulua kwa ile network ya valavala masivitali kiwu kisomo na kumina muinua kauwa andu na namusi ya kithekane kuya kibwezi.
Under infrastructure, we identified our project number 1 is the Ukia at the Mali-Ukia Junction Road.
To allay one more station, and even if you get more, the better. So we need more stations for SGR.
There is something called human-wildlife conflict. Tafadhali, tafadhali, tusaidiwe huko chini.
The whole of Makueni, we don't have a single teachers training college.
I want to commit on behalf of the Deputy President and our President that everything that we committed to in the economic charter that was signed in Wote, and later at the Catholic University, because that's where they were all, the President signed all of them at Catholic University. At night like this, all the 47 counties, he is very focused to make sure, and that is why he wants an appraisal back with the people and a review of those economic charters. I can commit on behalf of the President and the Deputy President that the Kenya Kwanza government shall walk and work with you to change Makueni.
Vilingi wa mauvoku wa mamusini wa Ilovi nye nita wa Benjamin na Mwakam.